The power of understanding health and fitness. In today's fast-paced world, understanding the difference between health and fitness is crucial. We are bombarded with information about diets, exercise regimes, and lifestyle choices. It's easy to get caught up in fads without grasping the fundamental principles of well-being. Health and fitness, while interconnected, are not interchangeable. Health refers to the optimal functioning of our body's systems. Fitness relates to our physical capacity to perform tasks and engage in activities. Imagine a car. It can look great, but if the engine is faulty, it won't run smoothly. Similarly, we may appear fit, but if our internal health is compromised, our well-being suffers. True well-being encompasses both internal health and external fitness. This holistic approach involves nourishing our cells, managing stress, getting enough sleep, and regular physical activity. By prioritizing both health and fitness, we create a foundation for a life filled with energy and purpose. Beyond the surface, health as a foundation. Health is the cornerstone of a vibrant life. It's not merely the absence of disease, but a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. True health is about thriving, not just surviving. Our bodies are complex systems, each part relying on the others to function optimally. When one system is out of balance, it impacts our overall well-being. Chronic stress can weaken the immune system, making us more susceptible to illness. Poor nutrition can lead to inflammation, linked to chronic diseases. Think of our bodies as a symphony orchestra. When one instrument is out of tune, it disrupts the entire melody. To achieve optimal health, we need to address the root causes of imbalance, not just the symptoms. This means looking beyond conventional healthcare and embracing a holistic perspective. It's about understanding how our lifestyle choices impact our overall well-being. Fitness enhancing life's abilities. Fitness is about more than aesthetics. It's about enhancing our ability to fully experience life. It's about having the strength to carry groceries, play with our children, or hike a mountain trail. Physical fitness includes cardiovascular health, muscular strength, flexibility, and body composition. Cardiovascular health refers to the efficiency of our heart and lungs. Muscular strength enables us to perform everyday tasks with ease. Flexibility allows us to move freely and without pain. Regular exercise is crucial for maintaining and improving fitness. Even moderate activity, such as brisk walking or gardening, can provide significant health benefits. Exercise releases endorphins, which boost mood and reduce stress. It can improve sleep quality and increase self-esteem. By prioritizing fitness, we empower ourselves to live life to the fullest. The cellular symphony, where health begins. True health begins at the cellular level. Our bodies are made up of trillions of cells, each performing essential functions. These cells communicate, transport nutrients, produce energy, and eliminate waste. Cellular health depends on nutrition, hydration, and detoxification. Just as a car needs the right fuel, our cells require nutrients to function optimally. Water is vital for cellular health, acting as a solvent and transporting nutrients. Dehydration can impair cellular function and lead to health issues. Our cells are exposed to toxins from the environment and metabolism. Effective detoxification processes are crucial for removing these toxins. Maintaining cellular health is essential for overall well-being. Environmental impact, nurturing our inner ecosystem. We live in a world saturated with environmental toxins. These toxins can accumulate in our bodies, disrupting cellular function. Our environment includes our internal ecosystem, the microbiome. A healthy microbiome is characterized by a diverse community of microbes. These microbes aid digestion, support immune function, and influence mood. Factors like antibiotic use and processed foods can disrupt the microbiome. Nurturing our inner ecosystem is essential for overall health. Consuming a diet rich in fiber, fermented foods, and prebiotics promotes beneficial bacteria. Reducing exposure to toxins and managing stress supports a healthy microbiome. By caring for our inner ecosystem, we create a resilient internal environment. The balancing act, acidity and alkalinity. We explore why maintaining a balanced pH level is crucial for optimal health. Our bodies function best within a narrow pH range, slightly alkaline. When our pH becomes too acidic or too alkaline, it can disrupt cellular function. Acidity and alkalinity are measured on a scale called the pH scale. Our blood maintains a slightly alkaline pH of around 7.35 to 7.45. Many factors can influence our body's pH level, including diet and stress. Consuming a diet high in acidic foods can tip the body's pH balance towards acidity. To maintain a healthy pH balance, consume a diet rich in alkaline-forming foods. Managing stress through practices like yoga or meditation can help regulate pH. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out acidic waste products. Lifestyle choices. Shaping our health destiny. We delve into how our lifestyle choices play a profound role in shaping our health destiny. The decisions we make each day, what we eat, how much we move, how we manage stress, all contribute to our overall well-being. By making conscious, informed choices, we empower ourselves to take control of our health. Adopting a nutrient-rich, whole food diet is impactful. Our bodies thrive on real, unprocessed foods that provide essential nutrients. Regular physical activity strengthens our bodies and improves mood. Find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on our health. Incorporate stress management techniques into your daily life. By making healthy lifestyle choices, we shape our health destiny. The power of informed decisions. We acknowledge that knowledge is power, especially when it comes to our health. By understanding how our bodies work, we can make informed decisions. We are not passive bystanders in our health journey. We actively shape our well-being. Educate yourself about the principles of healthy living. Seek guidance from qualified healthcare professionals. The more you understand about your body, the better equipped you'll be to make supportive choices. Don't be afraid to question conventional wisdom and explore different approaches. Listen to your body and find what resonates best with you. Remember that health is a journey with ups and downs. Embrace continuous learning and growth. Embracing a vibrant life, we explore how unlocking a life of vitality and well-being requires a holistic approach. It's about nourishing our bodies, moving regularly, managing stress, and making conscious choices. By understanding the difference between health and fitness, we can create a personalized roadmap for well-being. Prioritize health as a foundation for a fulfilling life. You are in the driver's seat of your health journey. Embrace the power to make informed decisions and adopt healthy habits. Start today and experience the transformative power of prioritizing your health and fitness. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more interesting facts.